Even Unity using triangle as the best shape for rendering, but still we have to build the quad. Quad have a lot of advantage on triangle modules. It is more easy for building the shapes, it's more easy for applying texture, it's more easy to apply mathematical module like subdivision in it. So we have to build the quad, and this lesson about how to do it. So let's go. First, let's build a C# code to do our quad. We'll call it build quad. First, let's add required component attribute. Required component type of مش filter. Again, required component type of مش render. Now we'll declare our variables. We'll start by the mesh class. Mesh. Next will be array of vertices or array of vector 3. We will call it vertices. So vector 3 array, and we'll call it vertices. Next we will need indices, and this time it will be integer array, and we will call it indices. Before we initiating our variable, let's review quickly the quad. First, the quad, as we discussed previously, it is shape made from connecting 4 points together. So the quad required 4 vertices. It will be B0, B1, B2, B3. And for this program, we are going to make B0 like in coordination of 0, 0, 0. B1 will take it up, so it will be 0, 1, 0. B2, it will be 1, 1, 0. And B3, it will be 1, 0, 0. Like in the shape here. Next, we have to build the triangles, because as we say, Unity, even it's a quad shape, it will go and convert to triangle, so we have to build the triangle. So first of all, we will build the first triangle as we done before, and it will cover B0, B1, B3. This is we call triangle 1. Now, to complete the shape of quad, we have to build a second triangle, which will be B1, B2, B3. Again, the arrangement of the order of the vertices is very important. All of them will be B0, B1, B3 clockwise, and from here it will be B1, B2, B3 clockwise, so it will be both have the same direction. Let's go for the code and see how to apply it. First we'll initiate the mesh equal new mesh, and let's give it name, mesh dot name equal, we'll call it quad mesh. Next let's initiate our vertices. Vertices equal new vector 3 array, and we will give it the values of our vertices. Our vertices again will take new vector 3, First one, as we said, will be 0, 0, 0. Second coordinate will be 0, 1, 0. Third will be 0. Actually, third will be 1, 1, 0. And the last one will be 1, 0, 0. Now we have the vector 3 array already initiated for our vertices. Next, we'll go for the indices. New integer array. Now, as we discuss in our triangle, we'll go first triangle B0, B1, B3. So, it will be 0, 1, 3. That's our first triangle. Our second triangle, again, B1, B2, B3. So, we will take 1, 2, 3. And like this, we already initiate our indices. So let's assign now our vertices and indices to our mesh. So mesh.vertices will be equal vertices. Mesh.triangles will be equal indices. Next, we need to get our mesh filter so we can assign our mesh to it. So in the variables up, let's add mesh filter variable. Let's call it mf. Let's initiate it. mf equal get component, so we can get the mesh filter from our object. And let's assign our mesh to the shared mesh at mesh filter. So mf.shared mesh, as we discussed in the comment lesson, shared mesh, it will be equal mesh. Let's save and go for Unity. Okay, let's create a new object and we'll call it quad object. Now let's assign our code build the quad and let's test it. And you can see we got our first quad here.